Welcome to the Jepson videos. It's a cool day in January and there aren't many herbs in bloom, but there is at least one floristic treasure to be found. In the understory of this redwood forest, one of the first wildflowers of the year has emerged. Scanning the forest floor, we first notice pairs of green mottled leaves, and then, there they are, the flowers of Fetid adder's tongue. Also known by its scientific name, Scoliopus bigelovii, it's a member of the lily family, the Liliaceae. This native California plant is generally restricted to the coastal fog belt, from the Santa Cruz Mountains northward to slightly beyond the Oregon border. It occurs in redwood and mixed conifer forests, and can be found along stream banks and in other moist shady areas. Visible for only 3 to 4 months per year, this perennial herb has underground stems. Bright green leaves emerge in winter and are usually found in pairs. They have prominent parallel venation and are typically spotted with dark green or purplish mottling. The most conspicuous parts of these cryptic flowers are the sepals. Look for 3 flat spreading sepals that are pale and striped with dark purple. The 3 petals are narrow and curve upward. Look inside the flower. You will see 3 short stamens with anthers that turn from green to purple to golden as they mature and release their pollen. The style has 3 long curved branches. The flowers have a strong ill scent that attracts a special kind of pollinator, fungus gnats. The fruit is a capsule, and as it matures, the stalk that bears it twists and droops down to the soil where the seeds are released. The seeds have a sweet, fleshy part called an iliosome that is eaten by ants who carry the seeds away from the parent plant and bury them deep underground. We hope you've enjoyed learning about Fetid adder's tongue. Its ill-scented flowers may be unusual, but they are a good sign that spring is on the way. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Jepson videos. For additional information, please see these resources.